Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. Well, I got an unboxing here. It's not mail call from anybody else, something I bought. And I bought this specifically because on Facebook, I'm friends with Whyde Family Farm, and one of her guys actually was talking. There was a conversation going on about this product and how great it works. So let me get my my knife here out, and then I will open the box up here. So yeah. There we go. Put that away. Don't laugh at the name of this product, okay? It is funny. Yes, pumpkin juice, and basically this is a 11-8-5 with a multi-grow foliar liquid fertilizer, and the comments going on that when they were talking about this stuff was they're having problems with their pumpkins and stuff, and they put this on it and the pumpkins started going wild. Well, my pumpkin plants out there are struggling, my butternut squash plants are out there struggling, so I'm going to put some of this on it to see how it goes. And so basically, shake well before use. Add 1 to 2 ounces of fertilizer to 1 gallon of water. Water generously. Fertilize once every 2 weeks. So I only use this once every 2 weeks. So, and it has this little squeeze thing here that you squeeze the fluid up in there, and it tells you how much you got on here. And so it goes. I knew I was going to need this, so I brought the other ones over at the same time so I could read. Because basically it's on the plastic, so you really can't see what it's saying here. And, okay, so that's well, it's in milliliters. So you got 5, 15, and 30 milliliters. And I'm gonna have to find up the calculation. It's not shown here on the box of milliliters to ounces, so I'll have to figure that out. But let's see what we got inside here. Okay, so 2 ounces. All right, so how to figure this out here. So 4 ounces is a little over 100 milliliters. So it'd probably be, for a gallon of water, would probably be about 5 milliliters is what I put in for a gallon of water. If I've got a 2 gallon or a 3 gallon or a 5 gallon bucket, I adjust it as I'm going to do it. And with all the plants out there, I'll probably be doing watering out of my 3 gallon water can for this. So anyways, this is what I got, and so this has 32 ounces of the fertilizer, so that's 16 gallons of water mixed with 16 gallons of water, if I'm reading all my stuff here correctly. So anyways, that's what I got, and I will give you there we go. It's great for when I want to look really close, but I look at the camera, it's like, whoa, it's out of focus. So I'll give you guys an update on how this works and what I think about it. All right. So plant a garden, grow food. See you around.